Hello everybody, in this short video I show you how you can manage appearances of parts independently in assembly. As you see in this assembly, I have 3 different parts and each of them has a special appearance in the part environment. This one is carbon steel, for example. If you click on this small arrow in assembly menu, you see all part appearances here as well. This one is red low glass plastic, but I can click on the left side of this square, click on appearance, and I can change the appearance of this part, for example, blue instead of green. So you see 2 different appearances. One of them is blue low glass plastic and one of them is red low glass plastic, and it means this part, when it is in part environment, it has red low glass plastic appearance, but when it goes to assembly, it has blue low glass plastic appearance. Or you can control appearance of all assembly with one go. As you see, each part has its own appearance still, but in assembly environment we have different appearance.